Hello there, in this video I will show you how to check background running apps and background running services on Android, and also how to stop background running apps or services in Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to Settings. Find out Developer Options. If you are unable to find out the developer options, then look at it here. Tap on About Phone. Tap Software Information. Now tap on the build number 47 times to enable the developer options. Some of the devices you need to tap on the software version. If you are not using a Samsung phone, then try both of this and see which one is working for your device. Once the developer option is enabled, move back and open the developer option. Turn on it. Tap on Running Services. Here you can stop or close running services which are not essential to run your Android system. Remember, do not stop the running services that is essential for your Android operating system. After that, move back and search for background check. Open it. If you found too many unnecessary apps running in the background, then you can close them from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.